Adjust the iron to the appropriate fabric setting, such as cotton or nylon. Place the DTF transfer on the desired area and cover it with parchment paper or craft paper. Apply pressure using the iron on the DTF transfer for 20 seconds for cotton garments. For larger images, work on it section by section, ensuring each part of the image is heated under pressure. Let it cool for approximately 30 seconds or until it reaches room temperature. Carefully peel off the film, ensuring that it releases the printed image. In case the printed image fails to adhere to the garment, apply heat pressure and cool once more. Cover the transferred image with parchment paper or craft paper and apply pressure with the iron again for 15 seconds. Your custom t-shirt or garment is now ready to wear. DTF transfers are compatible with a wide range of fabric and garment types, including 100% cotton t-shirts, poly-blend polo shirts, polyester jerseys, denim, caps, bags, and nylon pouches. For complete step-by-step instructions and to place an order, visit www.filjet.com/iron.